teacher.
Hello. Hi, Mary. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. What are you doing?
I learned to wait. I can say
You're learning how to cook?
no.
Mm. What's that? Oh, who's that? Who's that behind you? Your cousin? Mm. Oh, knitting. Oh, you are learning how to knit.
Yeah.
Oh, who's teaching you to knit? Who is teaching you?
My cousin.
Your cousin. Ah, that's nice. All right. So, yeah, I think we can already start our lesson, Mary. That's why you're late.
Okay.
You were learning how to knit. Okay. So, yeah, can you see the book now? Yeah, so we're going to continue our lesson about main idea. Okay. Do you remember main idea? Do you remember this?
Oh,
No. So I think we need to talk about what a main idea is. Okay. So when we say main idea, can you read it, Mary? So I
teacher,
can.
this big one learn.
No, we just finished this one, but you don't remember, right? So we're
Yes,
going.
now remember. Main idea.
Yes, that's why I asked you. If you remember, you said no. That's why we need to do it again. Okay, so what is the main idea if you remember it? What is it?
Main idea is the first sentence of the paragraph.
Paragraph. Okay, but it's not always in the main sentence. It's not always the first sentence. It's just usually, okay, usually the first sentence. The main idea is usually in the first sentence, but the main idea, Mary, is what the reading is about. Okay, what it is about. Okay, so that's what you need to remember. The main idea is what the text is about. Okay, or what a paragraph is about. So in this paragraph number one, it tells about jumping rope, or it tells about why jumping rope is fun, right, Mary? So that's what this paragraph is about. It's about jumping rope, and the reason why jumping rope is fun. Okay, all right, so please read number two sentence. I mean paragraph, number two paragraph.
Very good for you. That is why Nicholas likes to do it. She swims with her team
Ever.
every Saturday. She likes to race the other people. Swim keep her strong. It's fun too.
Yes, all right. That's why. Okay. So, what's the main idea of this paragraph?
Man, idea is swim is very good for you.
Swimming, right? Swimming is very good for you. Yeah, because it tells about why swimming is good, right? So, yeah, why Nicole likes swimming because it's very good for people, for us people, right? So, why do you think swimming, Mary? Why is swimming good for you?
I'm taller.
You'll get taller. You will grow. You will
Yes.
grow. Mm-hmm. Swimming will help you grow taller. Okay? Swimming will help you grow taller. Yeah. All right. And what about number three? Please read, Mary.
Re- and they like her team lesson.
Tennis
They
lessons.
any lesson. They are very close to her house, so she can walk there from home. Wendy's teacher, Miss Hammerson, is very kind and helpful. Um, when they learn to practice with her classmates.
Mm-hmm. All right. So, can you say tennis lessons? Tennis
Tennis
lessons.
lesson,
Mrs. Hamilton. Mrs.
Mrs.
Hamilton.
Hamilton.
Yes. All right. So, do you understand the paragraph, Mary?
Yes,
So, what's the main idea of this paragraph?
is when the last her tennis lesson.
Yeah, Wendy likes her tennis lessons. All right, and why? Mary, why? Why does Wendy like her tennis lessons?
They are very close to her house, so that she can walk there from home. When the teacher, Miss is very
Hamilton.
Hamilton, is very kind and helpful. When they love to practice with her classmates.
So those are all the reasons why she likes tennis lessons. Yes,
Yeah.
those are all the reasons. Okay, so now we're going to have this one. We're going to have these words, but before we read the words here, Mary,
Okay.
let's read the preview first. So the preview, it's not yet the story, but it tells about the story that we're going to read. Okay? So the story that we're going to read later is titled The Red Rubber Ball. Okay, can you read this part?
In this stories, a boys, red robbers, both travel around the world. She- We learn about having fun in different countries. As you read, remember to look for the main ideas.
Ideas. Okay, all right, so that's what
Ideas.
we're going to read, The Red Rubber Ball. But before we read that, let's talk about these words first. Okay, because we're going to we're going,
Teacher,
what?
is how celebrate recordings came in the author of over. She lived in New York City.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yes. So what? What do you want here? Yeah, what are you saying? This is the
No,
author. This is the author. This is the one who wrote the story. Okay? Elizabeth Cody Kimmel. Okay, do you want to talk about her?
yes,
Do you know her?
no,
Yeah, all right. So do you know? Yeah, all right. So this author, Elizabeth Cody Kimmel, is the one who wrote the story Red Rubber Ball. Okay, and she wrote of over 30 children's books. Okay, and you're correct. She lives near New York City. Okay. And now we're going to talk about the words here. These words are the words that we can see in the story, The Red Rubber Ball. Okay. These words, we will see them in the story. So we need to talk about them so you understand the story later. Okay? All right, Mary? So let's read the words here. The first one's this one, boa constrictor. Can you say boa
Boa
constrictor?
constrictor.
Again, boa constrictor.
Boa constrictor.
Yeah, so boa constrictor, do you understand that word? Those words?
Mhm.
So boa constrictor is a snake. Snake. Okay? Do you know snake?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's long, right? It's long. It's an animal that doesn't have feet and legs, right? So it's a snake. So don't forget, Mary, a boa constrictor is a
Mm.
snake. All right, toss. What is toss?
Toss.
Yeah, the word toss. Do you understand the word toss?
No.
So when we say toss, like this, look at me. Toss is here, this one. That's how you toss something. Toss is like throwing, like throw. Okay? Throw, toss is
Okay.
throw. All right, so we have landing. Landing.
Landing.
Do you understand landing?
No.
All right, so when something goes down from the sky, when something goes down from the sky from up above and it goes down on the ground, we call it landing. Okay? Just like for example,
Okay.
just like a plane, an airplane. So the airplane is flying in the sky, right? The airplane. The airplane is flying in the sky, and when it goes down on the ground, we call it landing.
Okay.
Yeah. Or like a ball. When you throw a ball or when you toss a ball, Mary, when you toss a ball and it goes down on the ground, we call it landing. The ball is landing on the ground or the ball landed on the ground. Okay? All right, and we have here balance. Balance.
Balance.
Do you understand balance? All right, so when we say balance, for example, we are standing. Imagine you are standing on the ground or you're standing. Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Stand up.
Yes.
Yeah, when you stand up, that's something that you don't fall down. When you don't fall down, or for example, imagine you're standing on one leg. Can you stand on one leg?
Tata,
Mm.
I have a stomach ache. Can I
Oh,
go to toilet?
oh, sure. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Are you okay now?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to continue on this part. We were talking about balance, right? Balance. Yeah, so do you understand the word balance? All right, so Mary, I want you, can you stand on one leg? Can you stand? Can you stand on one leg? Mary, can you stand on one leg? Yeah?
Yes.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Can you do it now?
No.
Can you show me? Why not?
No.
Okay. When you stand on one leg and you don't fall, that is because you have balance. Okay?
Yes.
Do you understand now what balance is? All right. So you don't fall because of balance. So you can balance yourself, your body. That's why you don't fall. Okay? So now you know boa constrictor. What is boa constrictor, Mary?
Rainbow constellation is a snake.
Yes. Toss.
How mm, central
Throw. Yeah. Landing
is the land of the
on the ground. It's landing. Or anything that is flying or on the sky and then it goes down. It's called landing. All right. And we have balance. What is balance, Mary?
is Samuel Cornell. Um, we say
It's something
attack.
yeah. So you don't fall, you have balance, right? Yes. Okay. So I think you understand it. Please don't forget, Mary. You don't forget these words because we're going to read a story here. We're going to read this maybe on Friday. We're going to read this on Friday and we will talk about these words there. We can see these words there in the story. Okay? Please don't forget because if you forget about these words, you won't be able to understand the story. Okay? All right. So maybe you can answer this one. Do you want to have homework?
Yes.
Yeah, you want to do homework? So I'm going to give you this homework. Why are games often more fun when you play with other people? Okay, you're going to record a video, Mary. Okay, for your homework, please record a video explaining. Explaining is talking about why. Okay, explaining. Telling why. Do you understand it? Explaining
Yes.
why playing games with other people is more fun. Okay? Yeah, I think that's the is often. Do you understand the question? Do you
Yes.
understand it? All right, so I'm going to send this to you on our group. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. I think that's the end of our lesson. We can already end this call. Don't forget we have a class on Friday. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Goodbye.